Hey guys, welcome. What's up? How you doing? It's actually the weekend. We're actually gonna do a quick errand to the supermarket. We're going to two supermarkets. We're going to the one that we call the Caribbean store, but it's a supermarket, but it's just like a Caribbean. It's still a variety. Then we're gonna go to Walmart. Babe has to do a bank errand quick, so we're gonna do that. And what else? I have to do a return to Russ. I have to do a return to Russ because I bought a few things to organize in my fridge and my cupboard, but one of them, the cupboard is too narrow, so the wheel thing that when you put like seasons or whatever on it, you can split it around. My cupboard too narrow for all that, so it not care about that. So that's the update for today. Just so I couldn't know what is what, and then we will chat.
Fear buckle big and little buckle in for me as me comes in for me.
Did you know that you can file your
doing some grocery shopping. We're gonna get some green bananas. They have some really good green bananas. Should I get the fatter one? Them are not butter be 99 cents. Don't you like the fatter one? Them? But yes, what is 3, 6, 7, 7. How should I find this? 7. This is 7. May I put pop off and put funny? That's 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Baby, they asked if I per dozen, but over here, I have not been to anywhere them sell anything per dozen. Per dozen. What them call them platinum again, babe? Frog platinum?
I'm about platinum banana.
Buru. So you what the old day? Yeah, the ripe one. Yeah, get some ripe. No, those cheaper than Walmart, but I want the ripe one. $1.29. A purple. Oh, Walmart. Yeah, them sell the purple. Walmart sell it per ocean cheaper.
You must see one you buy for single. A cents Walmart buy it, sell it for?
Yeah, them sell it per pound. Yeah.
So hard to kind of figure it out.
Which one cheaper? Some ripe plantains, guys. Got some pak chow. What scotch bonnet? Then on a scotch bonnet. See, we find some other one. Probably we need to wash them off properly. I don't know. See, we find none. Don't we? We're not have. Got some pak chow. Baby's trying to find some pepper. We got some hot peppers and we got some scallion. Otherwise, they call it green onions. They call it green onions over here. Babe, cherries are back, but you see the prices for cherries? $9 per pound. These are the dragon fruits that Auntie Pet used. Allowed me to use for the fruit plate that I made, the fruit plate. The dragon fruit, I think these are the pink ones. What do they call it? Red dragon fruit. And then they have these are the yellow one. My other aunt said the yellow ones are nicer. But I really don't like these. Them kind of have I like them texture. Alright, so yam. Them have yam. Yam drop. A yellow yam this? Or no? Oh, you're checking by yellow. They don't cut it. But yam drop got it $5 pound piece. So I have yam and white yam. Got some carrots. Baby said they better good because to them so big. And they have a Korean sweet potato. Yeah, take up your regular sweet potato. I didn't like the cane them in it. So there are some really small ones in there, but they look big on the screen. Probably have to go further if I want to see how fine some of them big. But I got the thickest one in there. One cane, I think, per pound each, $4. $3.40 something. So may I get one? No.
11 14.
Guys, we're looking at some oxtail. They have some good prices. That's $12.50. $12.27. And this is at $12.50. Oh, it's one liver here. It's one liver, but the liver not all for me. Liver all for me. That's how we cook beef. Yeah, but after we cook our under pressure. Which two you get?
Two.
Oh, one you want? Watch Odiana mess around with the shrimp. Load the blasted shrimp. Alright, come. We're looking fish. How much for the price for the oh, pompano? About freshwater fish or sea fish?
Sea fish, fish whole.
But no, but Grace Brown in cheap at Jamaica.
You know, it's the same.
Oh.
But you don't export it,
No, I want to try that, man. The price finally drop. Sure. That dear one brownie. I saw it. I 170 last time I did check out Jamaica. Yeah.
So you export, never export it, them a put more money for it.
Babe, look on the
And a
aisle.
bunch of people are buying us, so they don't get some
The
people
aisle
say
is $14 and we buy other one for $4. That's all the price to work are now.
14 to $4.
No, based on the size that we buy. I'm gonna ask you. I'm not buy the beanie, I'm not sure. Maybe probably cheaper at Walmart. I'm not sure, but I'm not seeing the price sheet, so I'm not sure. Oh, baked bean. The full baked bean. The baked bean. Where? Okay. One baked bean. Alright guys, so I'm chopping already. Let me see the flavor. Let me see pineapple ginger beer. You want to try the lychee? We ever tried mango? You ever tried mango before? Is it good?
That look like a flavor.
Wait a minute, I was about foolishness.
Meaning I was try food in it.
No, I was by the original one, I was by the red one and the orange one and the...
Sometimes you shake your bed and see it.
So you want to try the lychee? Eh? I don't see they have the original one. Way smaller, where other box them? They run out. They run out. Guava carrot. We never tried guava carrot. Island mango, fruit punch. Oh, see regular. Oh, mango carrot. Me get. Just buy one box of this. Oh, see it here. In the box. Pineapple ginger. Put back that one there. Get. Guys, still on the road. Still on the road, so exhausted. So we actually went Walmart, went to the dollar store. So we did that grocery shopping. That's finished. And then we just went in Ross. We're gonna make a stop at Old Navy because we're gonna see what they have on sale. It's been a long time when I got Old Navy. Before we just came here in last year section, we went to Old Navy, and I think that was the last time we got Old Navy, babe. You remember? Eh? When we came here last year, we don't go back to Old Navy. that has been a long time ago. That has been some months ago. So it's almost been 1 year since we went to Old Navy. Yeah, but them said them have sale. We can see them also have 50% off on the door. So yeah. The last vlog, somebody said commented and said that my video was confusing or a bit confusing. I don't know if you guys are referring to the fact that I put up the spring decor video and then I went ahead and put up the video where Odin was installing the TV and we were setting up a few stuff. I don't know if that's where the confusion came from. I don't know if that's what the person meant in terms of confusion. The thing is, the time when I edited the spring video, it was a shorter vlog to edit and I was late on the video and I really wanted a video to go up that day. So that is how I got to upload that video instead of the other video. But just one of them thing there. And I mean, if you don't pick up on you realize it's just a video that came after the video that already showed a few things that was already done, and the video that came before showed that we were actually fixing up. So yeah, I mean, that's something you can read through. That I need somebody to tell us exactly this is exactly what's happening. So yeah, but today it's just an errands day on the road. Me and babe, we have been here out since morning. We said we have come early if we go early. And midday pass and finish already, people. So can you believe it? So yeah, we're coming in our men's section. We're in Old Navy now though. So this in the men's section with babe. $9 for one of them, yeah? Them have them something like, oh, these something like them in a Walmart pay $5. guys, I ran out of the toner. I ran out of the ordinary toner, so I had to come and get another one. I'm actually gonna get the bigger one now, but I'm looking for I think I want to try the kale. I'm not sure. I want to try the kale youth for the youth for the people face wash cleanser, but I'm looking for it. Guys, when I tell a lie, I feel like this has been helping my skin. I'm kind of want for better. I really want to get rid of the spots, so youth for the people that I look for the kale wash cleanser. The cleanser, hold on. Babe got his favorite. It's they should be on it. It's caramel ribbon crunch. It's nice. This has coffee in it, right? Yeah. Out of 10, how much you rate it? How much? 10? 10 out of 10? Okay. I got caramel frappuccino. I normally get matcha frappuccino, but I feel like me not really eat from one and I'm hungry. Really hungry. Well, I eat 2 dry wings over Walmart and I can't the audience eat something, but I'm hungry. So I got a caramel frappuccino with oatmeal. Anytime I say oatmeal, they always if I want whipped cream, because people that whipped cream make fun dairy. Oatmeal kind of but I'm just having it both ways. So yeah. Babe and I just went for a Starbucks date. Come now. Cheers. But I never this many more. I wanted a caramel frappuccino. They gave me caramel ribbon crunch. I didn't say the same thing. I don't know. I think this one is way sweeter. But has oatmeal. But it's fine. But yeah. People? Yeah. We're going home now though. Fatma Park. We're going home now. I've been out on the road all morning, literally. I can't go in there, here. Space too little for you, man. Let me go to my phone. Alright guys, so we are home and I wanted to do this quick video for you guys. So I'm gonna feature on the little part of the video too. So what I want to do is I want to get my fridge a little bit more organized. It is very not organized. The things I've just dashed down in there, and I really don't like to see the things I'm really throw down in there. So I go organize it with the few stuff that I have. Let me show you the things that I bought. These in Burlington, and I have this other one that I got in Ross. I don't know why I thought they were like the same, but I think I prefer the ones from Burlington. I'm kind of feel sturdy, more sturdy. But they were both each of them were $2.99, and I just got these at the dollar store. They're like clip-ons for like your fridge. I really wish I had the fridge from the last apartment that had like a more sturdier base other than the grill level shelves in it. So we're gonna see how best it can work. Then we're gonna try to utilize them. So these can store like your fruits and whatever, or you know, and throw it in a plastic. So I'm gonna rinse them out and then show you guys what I'm gonna do. All right guys, so I'm here. I'm going to take out the stuff out of the fridge.
I'll be the rubber man, you be the match. I won't be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. Keep down, you are the joke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the fall, yeah. When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I put your pretty little hand in. Even when we're down to the wire, baby. Even when it's do a war day, we can do it, baby, simple as that. This is love, it's a short thing. baby, you can be the new. More than you say, I'm a sinner. Path, I'm a winner, and it's you. What did I do to deserve that? Paper, baby, I pay a pen. Say I am the one, cause you aren't. Rolling up the day, even when the sky can't forget. Even when the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I. With your pretty little hands. Even when I'm down to the wire. Even when I do or die. You can do it, baby, simple as thing. It's love, it's sure.
Then dip me underway. Fill my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 deep. I wanna
also have this under the sink. These need to be washed. I have, yes, look at this. Right plant name go back. Alright, so I have this tray. This sorry we need to boil. This sorry has been from here from Christmas. But I have this, and I think I'll take another one, but not right now. This I just because normally over the old apartment we normally throw this stuff up under there. So start with the bigger one. The Irish, the yam. So when I probably need another one, but I don't know how I'm gonna take it because the pipe is here. But on the other side I save like detergent and stuff. So Irish then the Walmart bag never carry it up. So we have some sweet potatoes, we have Irish potatoes, we have yam, so we have sweet potatoes. No, those are Irish. Then the sweet potatoes. It doesn't matter if they're mixed up either. It doesn't matter. We also have cocoa. What is cocoa again? Cocoa. We have yam. Or the yam. This forgot about that little. We have yam. This is white yam. Hold on. We have yellow yam. Yellow yam. And we have cocoa. We have green bananas. I'm gonna put the green bananas in this one right here. I have green bananas. And we have anything else? And we have green plants. So I will pick the green. I will put the green banana. The break. That is what I realized. The break, people, watch it. Oh, look at. And he can't even hold it up. Okay. Alright. Just like that in there. So for right now, we're gonna let that stay right there. Alright, so I don't have the best organized fridge, but for now it works, and this is what I'm going to leave it as for right now until probably as time goes by. The real and true, we can't really do nothing much, we can't really put too much in there because as you can see, it's a very small fridge, so we just have to work with the space. The door isn't as organized as, you know, but it is fine, it works for right now. So this is what I'm going to work with for right now, so that's it, and I'm pretty fine with it. We're fine with it. So I don't know how long it's gonna stay organized for, but for right now, this is what we'll work with. Alright, so yeah. Alright guys, so it's such a nice day to be outside. I wish I had some chairs out on the balcony here. I'm gonna finally get the word. It's the balcony. Me keep on a mix up. I want me to get the word. It's not I didn't know. I keep saying patio. A patio is when you're on the ground floor. Balcony is when it's attached to like a part of the building and it's up. So you know, it's good to kind of reinforce your knowledge and make sure you have the information like how you're supposed to have it. But it is the weekend and I'm just gonna chill. I really feel like I want to sleep, so I'm gonna have a nap. Someone sent me this vitamin thing that I can take that allows me not to feel tired. It goods with the immune system and everything. I went in Walmart looking for some of the vitamins that you guys told me about, and then I met up on someone that shared something with me because she saw me in that same area. So I'm gonna try that vitamin and see. Yes, I got better. I am gonna buy a hair purifier as a lot of you guys recommended. I am gonna buy it because even last night I think that I felt a little bit stuffy, so I don't even know, but I'm hoping for things to get better, for the hair to be more you know, as the time by, like as the time goes by, when summer comes and we get to open the windows more and whatever, you know. Yeah, so I can't wait to do this area out here. We have a seating and everything. But here what I keep saying to babe, and I keep saying it, and I keep saying it. I'm going to go up at the people them, because when I think we're supposed to pay a smart rent, and we're moving out of the balcony one clean. Like the outside, the area itself, like they didn't do anything around the doors. It's either paint or something you want clean and everything. So we need to go and like go back up at the office and ask them about it, because them can't really expect new tenants coming in an area where they have never been before, and it's obvious say it was not cleaned. You understand? But yeah, taking everything one step at a time. Pretty much the living area, it's literally almost to where I really want it to, but you know, things aren't going to be the same. Things are going to change every now and then until I'm fully satisfied. I'm really looking into what I can do with the area that a lot of you guys told me about, keeping the plant out, because I don't want to put a plant there. I just want it to be a nice area. The dining space, I can't wait to really put my hands in a dining space, because I've seen some dining space over the internet, and I really want to get it done, you know, nicely. Let me tell you, decoration take a lot of time, it takes a lot of patience, it takes a lot of money. So it's something you have to take your time and really deal with and go on, you know, little by little, no rushing the game. And that's something I keep reminding myself, like, I don't need to be rushing. I can't take my entire time. I can't take my time. I have a long time to do it. I have nobody now rush me, nobody now with me over my back, nothing. So I just take my time. So please be patient with me. I'm learning the decors that I want to use. I'm learning the styles that how I want to create them. It's just a whole learning process and everything. Like for me, I like to decor, but it doesn't mean that I'm a professional. You know me, I'm learning the decor. It doesn't mean that I'm a professional, but it's gonna take me time. I'm trying to get used to the things that I'm seeing in the store, like, you know, where I want to put them, this, that, what. And let me tell you that there are nice things out there, but they're pretty expensive. And as many tell you, I will put vlogs back, I'm trying to really get into saving, but I want to come and just done my money. Like as me say, I just got here. We have not been here for a year in America, so I'm just take things slow and go and do the thing them. So yeah, thank you guys who genuinely support me. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for not coming, judging, and anything like that. Me take all on advice. Me work with it. Somebody told me something about the bathroom with the wicker basket. Hear what now with the wicker basket from the apartment that we don't do well with wicker. The weave or wicker, whatever one it is, the weave mold over the last apartment. And that would be a good test to see if mold is in this apartment, right? It would be a good test. No, not attract it. Well, not attract it, meaning that you will know, because if mold is not in it, nothing is supposed to do it. If mold in an apartment, nothing is supposed to come on it. You understand? So if it'd be a test to see if mold in the apartment, because if it trouble it, you don't know. So if remember say I know you know buy something with mold on it, you buy something fresh. So yeah, but I'm not sure yet. Like the bathroom, as me say, I close the door because I don't want a mosquito going. Cold time literally done, so everything are flying out. So I'm just kind of watching my videos, seeing what I want, kind of experimenting with things. And the good thing is that if I buy something I don't like it, this is America, I can always take it back. I will not take it back meaning some use it and destroy it and anything. I can't back, I buy it, I can't back the next year or whatever. So you know. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end the vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll keep you guys posted in the next vlog, you know. Yeah, all right, take care of yourself. Bye.